It's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,